Hi guys, I would like to use this video to show you how to use the table E1. So it's table E1 on page 627. Okay, this table is a factor table, and it also how do you factor and and this table helps you identify whether a number is a prime or not. For instance, if we have a number, say 211, instead of looking for the factors that are smaller, less than or equal to a square root of 211, you can quickly use this table. You divide this 211 into 21 and 1. So the single digits and the remaining digits. So you can look at 221 here and then 1 from the top. So the single digit is there, the tenth digit is there, right? And the other two digits here. And when you see this a bar here, that means there's no factor. Therefore, you know this is a prime. And then if you want to check 933, say 947, for instance, 947, then you're going to look at 94, which is here, and then look up 7. So 7 is here. You do know that 947 is a prime. So that's a table so that you can quickly determine whether a number is composite or prime.